Your Vaultek RS500i is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and installs in seconds. Locate the battery from your accessories box and using your manual key, open the safe. Remove the battery cover and insert the battery into the compartment, making sure the pull strap is underneath the battery. You will hear a short welcome tone and the control panel will light up. Replace the battery cover and you are ready to begin programming. Change the master code from the safe's factory default code immediately. Your safe can auto-detect the polarity of the battery and installs in either direction. You will need to fully charge a new safe. Use the charging kit provided and plug your safe in for approximately 2.5 hours. If preferred, you can leave the safe plugged in continually.